friends, I'm Kaylin, nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month, we'll be learning about spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that consists of small and medium leaves that are bright green in color. They are also thick, soft, and oval arrow-shaped with green stems. The Spanish name for spinach is espinaca. There are three varieties of spinach. Savoy, which has crinkled, dark green, curly leaves. It has a distinct taste and is solid when fresh. Then we have flat or smooth spinach, which is unwrinkled with a spade-shaped leaf with a more mild taste. This variety is used for canned and frozen spinach. Then we have semi-Savoy, which has slightly curly leaves and is sold as a fresh or in processed food. Spinach originated in Persia, which is now known as Iran. Then it made its way to China in the 7th century when the king in Nepal sent it as a gift. Spinach then arrived in Europe in the 11th century. North Americans began growing spinach in the early 19th century, and in the 20th century, spinach was popularized by a cartoon character named Popeye. Popeye would gain amazing strength after eating a can of spinach. 1 cup of spinach, or about 2 cupped handfuls, provides an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin K. It also has a good source of vitamin C and folate. 1/2 cup of cooked spinach can be an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, as well as calcium and magnesium. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin K is great for helping your blood clot, and folate helps in the formation of your red blood cells. Magnesium is an important mineral that can help lower your blood pressure. Magnesium, as well as calcium, help keep your bones strong. Spinach grows mainly in California and Texas as a cool winter crop. California is the leading producer in the fresh market and processed spinach in the United States. Almost half of California's spinach production is located in Monterey County. California growers may sow as many as 1.3 million seeds per acre in 6 or 8 row configurations to be sold as fresh bunches. Spinach grows best in cool, damp weather with moist soil. Spinach is planted from direct seeding, about 1.5 to 3/4 inches deep in soil. Check out the link below for this Egyptian spinach soup recipe. What's your favorite spinach recipe? Isn't spinach just the coolest leafy green vegetable? Remember, the Spanish name for spinach is espinaca. Thank you for joining us on this spotlight of spinach as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy spinach this month? See if you can find spinach in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.